I'm Helen McMahon for Expert Village. One thing that happens as you're beating is that the mixture becomes thicker as the flour is added, and then it's sometimes difficult to remove it. Here's a secret. If you gently raise the beater and accelerate a little bit, the centrifugal force will send a lot of the batter off to the side into the pan so that it makes the scraping job that you have to do a little bit easier. Most of the batter will wind up where it belongs, but you don't want to leave any on the batters unless you have children who like to lick the batters. Then you can leave some for them. But otherwise, scrape it down thoroughly so that you get the full measure into your bowl. The rubber spatula does this job very well. And some folks prefer the new silicone spatula, which also works very well. Just scrape the excess onto the side, and the side that you're going to pour from, and that will help get it into the pan when you're ready to do that.